Assalamu alaikum and Mambo. For those that donated your £60 towards the solar panel project, we're here in Pemba today. It's the 11th of February 2025 and we're just here to clarify where your £60 goes towards. So every single penny goes towards these projects and ongoing ones with anything remaining from what you've donated. What we got here today is the pack, which I'm going to simply explain to you. We have a solar panel, a battery, the cables, the fixings, light bulbs, as well as a USB, which would then provide them with energy to devices that they own or items that they have in the household that require this. So it's a simple procedure. The solar panel is up top. It captures energy from the sunlight. It then stores it in the battery, which then later provides energy to the light bulbs when the sun goes down and it gets dark inside their households. So just a quick thank you and Jazakallah khair to all those that donated. Assalamu alaikum.